Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a spring get ready with me. I'm going to be sharing with you a bunch of skincare things I've been loving lately, along with my hair and my makeup for this natural and super easy makeup look. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like get ready with me's and want to see more from me in the future, give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram because YouTube, you just never know these days. So I definitely always tell you on my Instagram when I post a new video. Typically it's been Thursdays, but again, you never really know. So that's pretty much it for the intro. Let's go ahead and jump into the skincare. Before we jump into the hair and makeup in today's video, I wanted to start off with skincare because, as you guys know, it's a huge part of my daily routine. It's something I take very seriously and I just love trying new skincare products. So I was so excited when Clarins wanted to work with me on this portion of the video. Obviously I said yes, and I got to try out their new My Clarins line of skincare products, which has been so amazing. I absolutely love this line. It's definitely targeted for young adults, which is perfect for me, and all the products in the range are all products that I would use on a daily basis. The whole skincare range is made of 88% of natural origin ingredients. It's vegan friendly formulas and it's cruelty free. It's made without sulfates, parabens, and phtalates. I think that's how you pronounce that. And overall, it's just a really great, responsible packaging, affordable brand, which is amazing. And the packaging is super cute. I'm gonna quickly run through all of the products. So this is their purifying cleansing gel. I don't know why I stuttered there. I love a gel cleanser. It's definitely my preferred way to cleanse my face. This one is beautiful. It's very sparkly, and all of the products have kind of like a floral scent, but it's definitely not too harsh, which I really love because I love products that smell good. So that's the cleanser. I love it. And then this is a wonderful product. I used this when I had stage makeup on. This is their micellar cleansing milk. This is just like an all-in-one makeup remover and cleanser. It's amazing, and actually on the back of all of these products it says what kind of ingredients are in here. So there's extracts of moringa and fig in this one. There is bitter orange flower water and extracts of moringa and meadow sweet in this one. This is just a really great product, especially if you're like going for a night out and you don't really want to do a whole lot of cleansing when you get home kind of thing. This is a great product. It does a fabulous job of removing your makeup but not stripping your skin. Same with the cleanser. The next product I thought was super cool that they included in this line. This is their Refresh Hydrating Beauty Mist. I love a good beauty mist. I love them in the summer or refreshing my skin. You can put this in your gym bag as well. So many different ways to use this, and it has a pretty sturdy packaging, so it's so good, and it has a really nice fine mister as well. Oh, and all the products just smell so good. So I really have been enjoying that, and I'm definitely going to be putting that in my fridge in the summer and using it throughout the day. It's gonna be so nice. This is the moisturizer I've been using. This is called Reboost, and this is their Comforting Hydrating Cream. They did have a different couple versions of moisturizers though, depending on your skin type, so definitely look into that if you're interested. They also have this product, which I absolutely love. I used it last night when I got home. I had a long day of traveling and my skin needed some hydration, and so I used this last night. This is called Recharge, and it's their relaxing sleep mask. So I just put this on over top of my moisturizer and let it sink in as I sleep, and I really like this. This is the only one with a different type of packaging, but it's just kind of like a thick moisturizer that you can leave on, and it does wonders. It makes your skin super glowy and definitely refreshed. And the last two products in the range are ones that I definitely am glad they included. This one is a spot treatment. It's called Clear Out, so it's just for your imperfections. I brought this with me when I traveled last week, and I'm really glad it did. It's very small, very compact, but does a really good job of diminishing your spots. And then this is a really cool product. This is a Poreless stick, so it has extracts of strawberry tree fruit, and it's just a blur and matte stick. So it comes like this. Definitely smells like strawberries, and I'm going to use this in my makeup today just because I love something that's going to mattify and make my pores look smaller. So that is the entire range. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I will have links to everything down below. Huge thank you to them for sponsoring this portion of the video. I've really been enjoying trying out these products and incorporating them into my routine. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the hair. We're gonna jump back in time because obviously I did my hair before filming this part, so that is what we're gonna do next. So for my hair today, it is freshly cleaned and blow dried, and I just wanted to give some curls. I decided to go with the center part again, so here we are with that. And I'm just using my T3 wand. This is the convertible collection with the loose waves barrel, I believe. I'm not quite sure what the name of it is, but I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested. I love this barrel, and it does a really nice job of getting really loose waves, so that is what I did. I do like to section my hair off into two sections and do the bottom half and then the top half, and then just kind of go in and refine. The heat protectant I like to use is by Eva NYC. It's their Main Magic. I'll have a link down below. And then I also like to go in at the end of my hairstyling and use the Away texturizing hairspray. Any texturizing hairspray will be good to hold everything together and just to give it a little bit more volume. So that is pretty much all I did with the hair, and let's jump into the makeup. For my primer today, I'm actually just going to be using the Clarins Poreless Blur and Matte Stick. I love this because I look for a blurring primer anyway. It's great that it comes in a stick form, and this is also a product that I would use on no makeup days to make my natural skin look a little bit better than it would typically. Now jumping into makeup, the first thing I'm going to do is apply the Kiss Dark Under Eyes Concealer. I always have to brighten my under eyes, doesn't matter what time of year, what's happening, what makeup I'm doing. Always using something like this. I like this one, and I put it on my eyelids as well to kind of act as a primer. For foundation today, I'm gonna mix my two favorites and go-to foundations at the moment. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 202 and the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation in 1W. I personally love these two foundations on their own, but also together because they do really give you that dewy glow foundation look, which I've been loving lately, obviously, and it also isn't too full coverage, so my natural skin does tend to peek through a little bit, but not too much. So I still have coverage, but it's not too much, you know? Following that, I'm moving on to concealer and just applying that everywhere I would normally do that, under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, chin, and on any spots that I currently have. For setting my face, I really just like to stick to my under eyes and a bit on my T-zone, but for the most part, I don't really like to over powder because I have dry skin. Now this is definitely my minimal makeup routine because I am not going to be filling in my eyebrows. I'm just going to be using my tinted brow gel from Benefit and somewhat aggressively combing this through my brows, and then I'm going to go in with a brow setter and make them fluffier. For my eyes and basically most of my face, I'm going to be going in with this Cheek Glitters palette. They actually sent this to me and included my face on it, which is so cool. This palette has been amazing so far. I love all of the colors in it and it's just so pretty. And since this is a very minimal spring makeup look, I'm actually going to be taking the highlighter shade in here. It's Cookie, taking a little bit on my finger, and that's going to be my eyeshadow for today. For my lashes today, I'm just going to go ahead and curl them, apply a lash primer, and then put on mascara. Now that the lashes are done, I'm going to move on to bronzer. I'm going to just use good old Hoola from that same Cheek Glitters palette. I'm also going to take a little fluffy blending brush, dip that ever so lightly into my Hoola, and contour my nose a wee bit. For blush today, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of layering. So I'm gonna first take the Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk and pop that onto my cheeks, blend it out, and then I'll probably go over top of it with this Gen Nude blush from Bare Minerals. This is in the shade Beige for Days. It's the best. Also recently, I've been taking a little bit of blush and popping that onto my nose. I just feel like it gives you a little bit more of a sun-kissed glow, which is definitely the look I'm going for in the springtime. So that is all of the blush and the bronzer, and then I'm gonna go in with the same color I used on my eyes as my highlight. It's a good highlight. It's quite pigmented. And to finish off the makeup look, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner and lipstick in Pillow Talk. I love this. It's a great natural, neutral, everyday color, and it's pretty much the only lip color I've been wearing lately. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole getting ready process with me. I will have the Clarins skincare products linked down below so you can go check them out for yourself. And if you're not yet subscribed before this video is over, please go ahead and do so and join the fam. We would love to have you. And I will see you lovely people in my next video. Have a great day.